So now for the pop soap, we're going to hook this up. We're going to hook this like such. You can actually see from the instructions here what to do. So I'm going to get this nice and super tight. So we want to have one of these connect here. So got this. Then what we're simply going to do is go ahead and attach it onto the pump. So I'm going to grab my little pump here. Pumpy pump. And we're going to go ahead and attach this here. Make sure this is attached. So we'll do that. Pond tube. Then we're just going to go ahead and put this guy in the water, connect it to the power outlet, and just that simple. And you just use the container right here. So use that. We're going to put this guy in the container right here. We're going to put this underwater, and we're going to plug this into electricity and give it a shot. Now I'll be doing a demo with water, but you can do it. The only thing I haven't done is I'm going to apply some adhesive here to do the install, but actually it's very, very simple. All right, you've all heard the song Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls, but what do you do if you actually want to recreate one in a place where you have your backyard? You want a waterfall that's consistent. Well, you could do it naturally, but that would require a lot of drilling equipment, stuff like that. Or we can do the Pop Soap natural water flow. So what is here? First, we have a waterfall box kit that explains exactly how to install it and what to do. We have the hose right here. Big hosey hose. Then we have the motor. Kind of need this thing. It's pretty important. Of course, we have the bag right here. We can open it up. Sorry about that, but we have all the adhesive. Try not to drop it. And right here we have the waterfall container itself. So that is it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Now we need to put it together and put it to the test. So here we can see the POPOSOAP. I just went ahead and glued on the front, put it in the back, and we can see the waterfall working right now. And it's pretty chill. It's actually pretty nice, easy to set up, and you just get the thing going, and you have your own simulated waterfall right here. So whoever knew you could do that, and it's pretty interesting to watch. So yeah, if you have the chance, definitely check this out.